Most beginners think they need to spend money on ads to get traffic to their affiliate links. And that's not true. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get free traffic, no website, no ads, the same way I started when I had zero budget. So stick with me. My name's Darren. Okay, I'm a husband, dad, ex-emergency services, former brick and mortar business owner of 20 years. And when I first looked at affiliate marketing back over 2 years ago, I thought ads were going to be the only way that I'd be able to get people to see my offer. But like most beginners, I didn't have hundreds or thousands, especially to burn on Facebook or Google Ads or anything like that. So I had to figure out a way to drive traffic for free. And here's the process that worked for me. Let me just have a sip of coffee, guys, so stick with me, okay? So step one, choose one platform. I do preach about this a lot, but it's so important. Choose one platform when you're getting started, okay? The first mistake beginners make is trying to post everywhere at once. Don't, because you'll just get overwhelmed and frustrated that you're not seeing the results. Pick one platform and focus on it completely. I'd say for 90 days even. So for free traffic, the best options are going to be TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook, Threads, okay? These are the main ones. They're all going to give you free reach if you post consistently. And it does work if you post consistently, but you need to be consistent. So when I started, I chose TikTok. Why? Because one short video could reach hundreds, if not thousands of people. And without me spending a penny, which was really important for me because I didn't want to be spending any of this, okay? Step two, share your story, not just links. Now, again, I see a lot of beginners post spammy looking links everywhere and they wonder why they're not making sales. They might make one or two, but they're not going to build a sustainable business that way. The online space is a strange place. You need to be, well, people buy from people. Let's be honest, they do, right? They don't buy from faceless links, not consistently. It's about building that relationship. In any business, the same. So talk about things like why you started, okay? What you struggled with, mistakes you've made, what's your background, what's your situation, okay? What you likes, what your dislikes, what you're learning. Just tell your story. That's how people relate to you. And they start trusting you because you're relatable. When I began talking about losing my business because of the impact of COVID and having to start to rebuild something online, that's when people really sort of started paying attention and connecting and asking questions with me because they could relate and understand where I was coming from. So step three is just about being consistent, okay? Not perfect. Don't need to be perfect, guys. You just need to start. You don't need viral videos or super viral videos. You really don't, okay? Sometimes that could be a bit of a mess. You don't always need to go viral. Sometimes better not to. You just need consistency. So aim, I would say, maybe 5-6 videos a week. Ideally, if you can, maybe one video a day would be ideal, certainly when you're getting started. Some might flop, and that's fine, okay? But some will hit. But over time, the consistency compounds. Okay, so think of it like a snowball, right? It's first, it's going to be small. Then over time, it's going to compound. It's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. Keep rolling it, it grows, okay? Keep being consistent. Your audience grows. Your message grows. You reach a larger audience. That's how free traffic works. Show up, share value, and tell your story, okay? Step 4. Now, so important, right? So make sure you're going to use CTAs in all of your videos, because what you've got to remember is 95% maybe of people watching your videos are going to be on the For You page. They're not necessarily going to be your followers. So it could be the first time they've ever seen your video. So yes, CTA, your call to action, so important. This is what's going to move people from just watching to actually taking action and going to your funnel. Traffic's great, but it's useless if you don't capture your audience and your customer, okay? That's where your funnel comes in. So every piece of content should have a call to action attached to it at the end of your video. And it could be something like, comment info below and I'll send you the details. Or send me a DM if you've got any questions. Or if you want the information, there's a link in my bio. Or comment ready or drop one in comments. Whatever feels right for you. Okay? You can even say join my email list if you want a step-by-step free guide, or I'm giving away an ebook at the moment. Go to my email list and you get the ebook straight away. Whatever works for your business, okay? It's what turns attention into leads and then leads into sales. So I'll give you an example, actually. I made one short TikTok video myself and it didn't go massively viral, but it did bring in over 185 people who clicked the link in my bio. And let me just share my screen and I'll see if I can show you. We have a look. Okay, so here's the video, right? So if I just show you this, as you can see on the right-hand side here, got 358 likes, 666 comments, and 330 people actually saved this video because they probably wanted to copy it or share it. It's nothing special. What if I say, I know, you know, what if I told you I liked? That's it. What's that, 5 or 6 seconds? And this video brought me in, I remember, 185 subscribers from that one video. And that's free content. No ads, no website, no paid ads on that at all, okay? It was just completely organic. And that's the power of it. That's the power of social media. TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, YouTube Shorts. So powerful. But you've got to be consistent. I mean, let's just recap, okay? Before we get ahead of ourselves. Pick one platform. So important. Share your story, not just links, okay? Be consistent. Ideally, one post a day if you can, but certainly 5 or 6 a week is fine to get you started. Always include a call to action, and that's what's going to move people from your content into your funnel, okay, into your world. And that's it. It's simple. Free traffic takes time, but it works if you stick with it. Okay, so I put a free training together that shows you exactly how to get to your first 1K online. And that link is below in the video description. So go and have a look at that. It's completely free to watch my free training, and you'll get my ebook at the same time if you want to have a look at that too. In the meantime, guys, I really appreciate you being here. Hit subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Really appreciate you watching this, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.